because Esther do video where Esther do. They come, they say, they don't give her award. They don't union say, don't union say, they don't give her award. Say she insult Europe women. And her son also come Europe, which me not even know now. Me not even know say when her son come Europe, they be not agree may play because of her. One of the list, this will not be like normal regular video. I'm going to just nail up the way it is and play the audio and leave here. Okay, guys. Me not even know say her son come Europe. They not agree. I know say the son, they say he come Europe, but I don't know the particular city or country where they go. I don't even know say they not agree may play because of the saga or things where they go on for media. I don't know. That is why they talk. When before Esther start all the saga, where they do, I tell her say, stop these things where you they do. People when you won't follow, they do saga. They work follow Oibo. Oibo no they hear go. Oibo no they hear anything. Now you they carry bag. They go they meet these people one after the other. May they spray you. May they buy your cassettes. May they watch your movie. May they support you. Now you get this way they sell for these people. These people don't get anything to come buy from you. I was surprised when I hear that. Yes, now they get me. These people don't get anything to buy for you. Now you they come me then. You have to be careful with these people. That was what I told her that first time when the thing they shaka. When they talk about since when they not going to play the music now. I have a Facebook or I have a money in the Facebook here. That is life for you. Or we are who I mean, no, since the old media now side or Rudisha or the respecting him any show or Rudeni why are they queer and nobody support him any TA, Nika my way, I'll tell copyright. Did you do that? No, Una Lajana Moseva, Nemo Seveco, Ian Lajanemo Nimoseva, Nemo Seveco. The same thing you are finding yourself right now. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You not the third person, I said, me person, can't look your eye, look, how you say me take work, like how? Well, the last time I checked, don't ask for what you don't give, okay? Only ask for what you know say you dey give. When they backup singer ni, ekenunata when not the area. I hope you will come listen now to the one where me they play so. I hope you will come and listen. Okay? Because when in Ogwani, we mother they like cotton winner. That is the truth. When in Ogwani we vote over we man like cotton winner. When you know your sister career, when you know what your sister do for a living, egbe na na assume o ga ime ni tamotene we wesinya yi o we jeve di ho we adonu pa we background the right bodu we iwe ru bodu we esa na pase le gbu wa ni me ma we wa me o ma be le family na no boso apart from she and your though the rest do that particular one and when you know what a background voice ni obama su we ni extra package we here we be dey gbu we le where yet the buwele ojo ma won awo kan be won awo kan ma won ojo be won akewe no wan gbebe hi where wa uzu wa we na mani ate muri omo no ma say 6 months abi me na tai omo na bi e be that 3 months eru bi awa be ya do ogwe o we na gele like otu we not we na agbalama ukpu we no we ne matter na ya sunu since don't tag gbon we he we ni backup singer ni we on of your twin or the we bo gele no sunu ama wa di no twin gele no sunu but ze we na la dian be live video we if you do what we no sunu what now understand you can package it automatically or we are from we ma we la jada pledge anybody we ma say we no we dey back up in no gbani hani we me ti la je we wala oru de wala wo o tele wa we me wa what tele we mi wa agbi wala wa na imi ra wa agbi we ma say no tai agwagwa tai we ni no gbon be na de imemi ni hati we won am egbu we de we me mi saga de when we were wait star wa live video akon we ni no ye na ye ni me who do view the live video de agini omoji no na lagode who do agun aye o ke de na be tele egbu we nya we gwale ke leji a story where we tell with mama on when pian ro we tell my story we mojo no ye ba lagode we mo la wa do aso star you aso ye mi dan e ke no na ta we no de we do get we push out to na vem body vi sia we o to we na vem bona mu gbiri ona mu gbu we ku we no we no ti oni ona we mu gbu we mu gbe mi ya no me at the end they no 20 about 20 are you crazy one is one me gbu we no ro me we only me so gbu we as a third senior sister no my ne gbe we only me so gbu we ko mi amote no jobe mu je be na bata e ko boko bo ya bolu egbo be because we na re we na yeke okay even no tun we vem do o ma gbo that we come on down where o tene o la wo ti ebo la wo ti ebo ga kaba ya gba le the video ga ye go alokere that only we wa ta the video where everybody ti ebo anybody ti ebo ya ma se o mi ahun wele ni aso se we omojo no na no ye ba lagbode Omo di on no pa fin e nap. We met it out tell me gwa e de tie bo wo nyama se no tie bo na ba de ba no tie ba do dia tie bo. Tell me if na me. Tell me what see na video do no that nyama se na ya di any ade one ya do no way. You can even say that. Hey, when you dey na video, when you dey na video. Wa so tun ye wo wa ga mo bo gbe mi no yo hian. Upe woko. Egu we ni ba no ahun wo ye billionaire no dey family. Be le gbe we ba lo ye ni. Egbe we ma ba lo yigo. Obono vie kia na vigo. Every time that must me voice a video ça must me voice way. Oh when I'm here we are close the say 5 and 6 you are here who say the let's start be. Just try to sometimes I'm in boundaries. Give her that boundary. Because Esther is a many at here. I want not popular no. Yes, Esther is a popular somebody. Eh when am I do at my no any fast, any godmother, any godfather. Upu weni yotare ni or make we mana ya kwingo a e unu ya kwingo unu wo bobo we ya kwingo what is nu da we ogba be go ti odo la video to tasiko wa. I think she was married that day eta digwe yin oda foni no do mi go yo ohun wa ma be ge ya be la video eta digwe yin oda foni no do mi go yo ohun when we buy the glass say yen get maybe or make 6 months with you when we ya behavior I get what you can normal but it's okay by now you be go we have say so marry ni or to have anything is wa swatwin wa swai even if you wrong go you right time I buy me we see ai in ya ma say do we do oga mo we e no tin me ateta mo hanta yes because when any you don't have anything to lose many are there they no lose anything to lose do we when you fian for no problem after running when game or you come Frank is using Esther to make views. Yes, now because you know say Esther matter they brief you. Yes, now. How about we Esther? They can look this social media. We are there for the saga Esther for this full media. They can Esther. Ne Frank and by the way, come and this Frank. I am no where. Me time when the nyatama we time when we na. You know get any saga when you want do again when you take when you fit testimony builders. Facebook will pay video. Where agba mesa won't be side working on mining. La go or Esther ni la o. Because when we gwale nene na ma bi enu enu be we no jie megbe egbo ebo si anu friend ya vie ya ladian do matter ya ye Facebook kene no do nu ma ibu we me no jie adom mo we no see e rupu we na tanse gbo e ana mi ege upo we like pocket we ma la everybody go know everything we na ya bio e ya eni ya usa no ezebe lati we na eni ya I dey tell you ya total ye funpa or to have any issue you can come out and say why you ready o opa ma ya hin if you do egbe balesta egbe we do abaluwe whenever me go, at least, esa me go. Egbe by the rich woman. When Obama saw egbe we are bad way. Ema no we yo bonu we na gbove ma we. E we do ye do ma na nwe. Ema no we yo bonu we. Do you know the power of Europe people? Do you know the power of Europe women? Akun we ni na when I feel like look boni. Don't you know that okwa ti wa laja Europe or you go laja ni construct kan we. You don't know? You don't know. Wahanta iya ni rewe boni eturu mi yaje iya ni rewe boni e waru mi yaje igo no ma pay wa when no women anje nana. This is a 4-room and parlor house. A month is 750 euro. Igu pa ireba we convert it to naira. It's 1 point something million a month. Just 1 month. Ni me pay. Now calculate it. A month 1 point something a month times 12. Oni go ni go me pay 1 year. Also you to bowa. The public, in short, the city. Any ya wala kin why go ya competition with the Euro people. That's why we say imoto ni fi wani rewebo wa na moto wa na moto are we going oh saloboa ya we gie wa we gie the reason why we run very and you understand and Euro people they send Esther for Nigeria nobody send her. Me I tell you for these people since when Esther see they come Europe things change and life change unu po no ya bi won we Nigeria o ma bo wa no o ma say 4 years in na no so ajeto abi 4 years in na no so ajeto je ya mama wa beg wa no bo wa beg bi ya emi ya change ona ko kemiti emi chole ye bo se we ibi we bo ma be we ko fi emiti but o take na tie boni ku we bo wa la tie why you boni owo a you people you mama Jasifia e take be me no because you know say where I know they to blame Euro people because if you don't take for this European you are going to get soft hearts. Yes, and these people they always like to play with our emotions. If you don't take for before me come Europe, If I see person where they hungry, me go they look at me, because me myself I they hungry. That's why I dey Nigeria. If I see person, if you like they cry, if you like they roll for ground. If I see person where they hungry, me self I go they look at. Go they look ourselves, I hungry, go they beat us. But since when I come Europe, I don't see person where they say if they hungry. Like you're the hungry, you especially when that person dey Nigeria. I know people they call me for years, so you call me video call Nigeria. If I pick and you show me picking at the hospital. I know you people should stop. Now so you go be now, mama, my lady. Now so you go come be because because if they continue to bully Europe people like this, time will come, everybody go there their because now we even they use that and they watch their movie for YouTube, their music on YouTube. We they do our best to show these people love. So okay, now we but the way they do us, I don't understand. Esther just do finish now. She can't swear, say she not do. Time when she can't take the swear that swear. She just say, "Awala, this time no matter why we." But what are you trying to prove? In the process of proving a point now, you see, oh verse could get every right. Oh verse could because no message. Mona, listen, guys. Thanks for joining Mama Gloria. My lady say waiting there. No, we are talking about Esther. Yeah, it's not like we the insult her. No, the video where she do. No, I'm not say she do one video recently. Now most of the carry the thing they trend and they go. Where she they swear say now so they talk say Europe women not they dress say she not talk anything like that. Esther not get respect for people. You see, now they get me. She said she not talk like that. But meanwhile she talk and Europe Union now go come even hear the thing where yes, Europe Union need to hear the thing where she talk the thing she can't they swear. People say she not talk. So now we they play the two video. Make she herself listen to herself. Make she listen to herself because we know if they take all these things from them every time. No, you get the way they will disrespect. Ah, see. They will start to give that to police. So I know what they talk. Europe women say Europe women see they feel they carry their husband and keep police. Talk less of person where they say they're not sent. Talk less of person where they say they're not sent. By the time petition start, they say, yeah, my but they will not see all this coming. Since I've been online, me never throw mat. You know, guys, I want crazy. I can't say all those people where you see for Nigeria. So all those people where they Nigeria. So all those people where you're Nigeria. So all those people, I know they talk.
Social media salon, eri mewo, eri owe mewo, eri no pere ogun na we California. Iware Europe tour. Ina iwa muta na Europe. Again so man na
Ona listen like
what you enjoy. When anything when you wait people like that. Mu dress up. Addition we go be all work from January to December.
But she Mona, they see how manipulative these people think say they be. She now they advise Europe women say they know the rest, they'll just walk. They know the rest, they know the shop money, they know abego. She the rest. She me never see her one day say she the rest. The only time you feel see her sit down for her and say she the rest, always saga. You know say na saga they do. She the rest. From party, from show to this one, from this one to this one, from that one to launching, from launching to this one, from this one to mechanic. She the rest. No, she not the rest. Me never see her one day say go this ask me pon your born your wo about 3 days in her work baby hotel na. Yen pa e one of the bed dress in work yen dori ewi. I never see her do like that too. Is what they always use for Europe women so that we come back money give them. Who tell una say we know the rest? Who tell una say we know the rest? Yeah? You people should start spending your money on vacation, not to go wash. Yes, so me I don't feel go. I feel they go a party, but no. Or for thank you.
Yes, so it's from work to house. People don't know how. That's what so I'm calling. People know from work to house. From work to house. Why they allow them? Of where on a carrier webo. We can't go last. We will get there. We will not be telling me bumbe. But the Maria ni TikTok live. Many water and every time any say.
Bona they listen you.
How many people in here where Esther where Nani they wear bad dress. In the other lane again, you tell me.
Okay.
O Sami Dazi, what you talk what you kun? What you only man on that day. In the other again, you tell anywhere. You know they wear bad dress. O Salo Bua no you no keke me. Then in the again, you tell any. O Sami Dazi no she make you no swim matana. O you no keke no man. O man no what?
Una hear this swear where she swear say if she don't ever talk say people for Europe, anybody for Europe at all, say if they not sabi dress, now she swear put so. What damn yo? Whether she talk and be she not talk and listen.
Grace almost about the dad domain. I'm going to change it. Okay. That the me boy. So when you live na yin la, yin she o bi ake wo ko, o mo ko ki mo we no yen na. Where esa where man we bad dress. Ti an pa mo oge. Alo e mani ba o ge na. I o wa neru ni we e o wi o ava o ta ne mo ge ga da ya. Ne mo ge ga da ya. E mo ge no ge da ya. I ni wo. O ya amwe bokunya no kwa amwe bokunya. Ne ha ya so no bele ba so no ku. Sisi ya wo elele so ni ya. Ya wo we mu ya. Sisi na ya mi ewu ya jo kini ya do ade. Ni ma yo ni ayo bo yin le jo so de kure. Ele ne ma ye kan ya. Yo ngba ku me amwe bokunya. Ni ya gbe kan no se le se ya. Ku de mani ya kan mani ya ga de mani ni wi ya e. E mo so I did choose it for myself. And no salo boka oh there. Ima yere mi de na ko ti an bi eru ga no saka oh there. Wa se le jo so bi wa ni to kina wa se ni wa la o. Abena me ka je me. Ima me ge di ya teme ni. Yi le se ti le teme ni.
Wa o wi e ma me ge ni ya teme ni. Ye we se ti we teme ni like una de ye abeg una de ye Benin abi. Me no hear me no come go dey speak Benin because some people feel they always say na only English they hear. Una hear wetin she talk. She say she no talk that word. I no get any time where she go fit take talk that word say some people or majority of women for abroad not sabi dress. She said she not get time where she take talk am. Listen.
Europe is very big. You know that I hope that buy tickets if you know the Europe. Buy ticket, call Europe, come dance for street. Okay, now because I never wear pants. The person is not normal at all. Some of them hate to see you happy. Exactly, oh my baby. You see that summer for abroad now summer with this so. Okay. You can say buy your ticket. Come to abroad, come and enjoy. If you are in abroad, my dear, enjoy yourself. Yo. That's why they call with some people for abroad. You they abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money. Now you they.
Una hear wetin she talk for here. She said now so she dey tell some people for abroad say you dey work, you know they dress, you know they you understand, you know they do anything. Una listen, you know they enjoy, they know they enjoy. Una listen for that.
The money they suffer for the money. You want to acquire the whole world. I'm asking you. You want to build million house. How many years you want to see? Okay. Oh, you they build them for? Okay. You know you just look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow, and they have.
When I hear that place, most of them we live in this abroad. When they dress, they look somehow. So wait till she come dey swear put say she never ever talk say people for Europe not sabi dress. I will labor with the father. I be my people or maybe me. So somebody should drop the comment. Did she just say people for Europe not sabi dress? Or now me can't talk the thing now? Or not be waiting she talk because I don't get myself like I don't wait. Let me take it back again a little. May we see.
Okay. Oh, you debut them for? Okay. You know you just look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them, they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow. And they have money.
Another year? She said most of them live in this abroad. Abi? He says, see, yes, now. Una see now, my people. Is it clear to you guys now? Most of them, already, don't forget, she was talking to Europe women. Yes, now he said the evidence go put her for part because una get she was talking to Europe women, say they know the dress. From there, she go enter, say she gets some of them where she they advise. Say, dress well, look good. Balog, pack all your money, come spread it for show. Una they get me. Now she can proceed to say, most of them, what are you telling me? Say, this one a person when they swear, say she never thought, say Europe women not sabi dress. Thanks for joining my lady Monica. Monica Obolo, thanks for joining. Una they get me. This one a person when they talk, say, she they even they swear. Say make everybody come they join her, they swear. Say she never ever one day thought, say Europe women not sabi dress. She say only wait till she told me, say make they dress, make they come enjoy. Make they come enjoy. Say now only work, they work. They know they rest. Say she never even one day talk, say they not sabi dress. I been wait till she talk for here just now. She said majority of them where they dress, they look somehow. Do you know the type of insult that is? Most of them, when they dress, they look somehow. You know, if you say two of our friends, when they dress, they look somehow. Or maybe she say, yes, it's supposed to be our friends. But as far as she's not talking to her friends, she's talking to Europe women. This was the reason why a lot of women were angry on TikTok. Before this matter come Facebook, my people, this matter be not even come Facebook. This matter was on TikTok. This matter trend where. Yes, now she said most of them. So who were she referring to? Who are the most of them? I can be among. Anybody can be among, because she said most, which is out of 100%. 80% no sabi dress. I know said like this small boy now where they tell you illiterate on a magic school. This one where they don't go school, so she don't know anything. She don't feel understand word. You understand me? And people not only play this video because they just hold this video, say, hey, yes, I don't thought to say Europe women not sabi dress. So no. She have been doing this countless time. Yes. If you go and show you go spray her money, she will find one thing talk. She will find one thing talk. Now matter bring matter come, my people. This particular issue will spread like wildfire. So now matter bring matter come. And you see me, the matter now. She was also bullying innocent man where he go spray her money for party. She said she don't go back. Say to say she don't go back. The man be one biter. Europe men. Now I tell you that one sing. He follow this man for UK quarrel. He looked the man from head to toe. She don't know what she want to. She said the day where that one come and show, where that one, where she do show, where that one come and show, come spray her money. She said, so that one come they smell. Now I carry lost everybody or give that one person where come your show, come spray you. Or another person get where come your show, come spray you. You say you don't go back, may not bite you. Then the same show where you come do where you say many people come. You say maybe they dress well, because most of them where they dress, they look somehow. So what are we saying? Before people decided to use this video to tell you that enough is enough, they have their reason. Before people use this video, that word where Esther talk is the day she meets her water, because it's too much. I wish she not be that type of person where they like to bully people, they look down on people. Nobody for ever send this video. They be saying a mistake, but this person keep on saying these things. Even the time when she take go house, where she they thank people for Europe, you need to see something word where she call the talk. She always look down. She always like to talk down on Europe people. I don't know why. I don't know they follow her own race. She always do that. You don't do show. People don't pack money, come spray you. You reach out, you won't thank them. Are you supposed to be saying, well, you understand? You understand? No, always like. Why me never want to come as all those musicians where you see for Beniso? Why me know they talk all those words? Why other people know they address una like that? Why other people know they address una like that? Okay, now you get right to talk down on people and you don't want them to react. Now you get your mouth to take talk. But I always say these people, now you need them, they don't need you. Now you need them. They don't need you. The show where your pikin do, I saw the show. After I don't do the show, they don't spray them. Nobody spray them. If you say I did like, go post the video. I know how many musicians don't come Italy since where all this old matter don't they train my people. Nobody even come out for house. Nobody spray them. They not fit tell you what they see. But if you ask them, me I know. They not spray them. Nobody come. Nobody. So if you come, oh empty, free share, pokwa Sarah, nobody come. A ticket amount here, nothing. Show promoters now say where they bring musicians, they come Italy now. Then they lose because I don't agwa go niya ya la moto. Igo niya ya de fue. Igo niya ya we no pa. I don't agwa le bezma. Una no say for una no as Europe now. Europe might all those Canada, all those things, you understand? All those America, all those ones. Europe, they be like twists. All of them want to meet us. You all they see them so. Italy, Germany, France, what do they call them? They'll just gather, they'll just do meeting. You even to say, they'll just do meeting. You can show me kobo. You go the man say, they be say these people they spray. The last time when people spray reach for Europe, now even the time where she take on. Nobody saying they again. Yes, now it's too much now. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. That UK now where they go now. You know, say, all of that UK now they see they get something small. How about you? Abu Desire Udonia. All this stuff. So rest in peace. No, they get me. How about no, if about see any of them, they come. How about go start? Go start or they drag them. How about also get fan base? Me get fan base. You get fan base, you where they look me so. You get sister, you get brother, you get friends around. Most of us now Europe we did. Then they call like, okay, me 30 people, why I know say no go. Could read tell like 30 people where she know say no go. The other one thought say no go. The other one thought say no go. The other one get jeva. That's what we are saying. I wish you have your family member aka. Eh? Okay. He say, man, see this comment. He say, Esther no refer to abroad women. She talk to no, abroad women she talk to. I mean, she talk to all diaspora in general. Now everybody she insult with that word. Thank you, my Percy Coco. I don't know say you would listen. You understand? She talk and finish now. She goes to put say she not talk. She say everybody for the journal they swear put. Now all the women, now everybody she swear for. All the diaspora women. Yeah? Anywhere you do, Tokyo, anywhere. All the whole world, California, anywhere you do. Wait till we can't do you rich like that. Because they will not be rich and shiny. $1, do you know how much it be for Naira? Person go hold like $50 pieces for hand, come spray una. No excuse face. No, not feel the person they just sing. Do you know how much it is for Naira? Now so we they do for year. We they calculate money. If you don't know me, you know. We they calculate money for year. If person €50, you go use app. Check how much it will be for Nigeria. And that's what they do. Before person they call you, should already budget and say, now €100, now $100, now one spray. And that $100, you know how much it be for a country wait for they come. Imagine person where they pay 1,000 to a month. He give you $100 based on your sister. Or day ticket. He dress, do hair, do everything. You sit or say, so why will you say that? Why? Why will you me now say that? I call it if not because we don't even the saga before I can't even insult this sister. If I know they sort out. No matter how she look, I know they insult her. Because that's what my own be. Why you go come and generalize everybody saw the finish now? You got the say you know you saw them. Why the time when you take the claim say you know you saw them, say that why you know use that to apologize? You say you find the video, you know see her. You think say social media they forget something. For you to talk say you don't see the video, then people go along and come out. Any other social media, I thought say I see 4 of your videos where they bring down Euro people. 4. The last when 24 will carry come.
No battery, please charge.
My this one shop the pity. Then nobody go the show add the show. Oh no, they get me. That is becoming so annoying. At your bokpa name my people here though. One and not look person where don't make money where they say even if she decide to drop microphone now. One may say igbe. You go can't go look that person now come because of that person. Spoil your opportunity to get close to Euro people. Now only few people now know say they know they do that thing, which I will not call him. And as I they talk now, I know they talk saying that all musicians, they know the one where we just cash right down there, which is Esther, now we also the torso. Say Euro people not sabi dress. I will still blog this video. Because I know say if I blog, I go far past as I plan for live. I'm also going to blog it. She go see her, make the whole see her. Who go come like? Say the one is until they spoil her name. The one is until they spoil her head. Who you call offend? With the drag one bola, we did the same house. I might be like, where? Anyway, we are mama. Jesus said we don't want to make you good that and the time when they come, we for not spray you. Most of these people you they fight today, you don't shop their money. But your team not there with us. Me, I'm not the only one team. But you don't shop my money. Yes, I don't call your show. When you come Italy, I don't call your show. I use my hard money to spray you. I spray you that with almost $250. Yes, this is what we they talk. So not be even that time. I spray you $250 more than say what be $250. I can't even see back share. We did VIP share now we buy. We be 4. They can't give only one wine now give us. Even that wine, if I want to drink only that wine, no go for the show. Let me drink all those red wine. Now why they drink for those kind of party? What do you? Today we start to see Bluetooth too low. Yeah, please charge. What they charge me? Now they get me so my people. These people we don't support, especially with me. I don't support you. People where they fight, they don't support you. They like now you they do what they make people they talk to you. Now you this one what you do now. Now Omozuo, where be your speaker? I know say now do marriage or Omozuo. Why we go to borrow I know you marry Kevi or my Asania. Because we don't hear everything, finish all the audio, everything, we don't hear everything. As soon as take Omozuo I say I don't know whether I get man. Now Omozuo now get man. As soon as take us get when I the get man why I have my name drag wa. This is not time for this. Social media people are not smiling. People are not smiling. As a lot of people now they vex with musicians from Benin. You people should not let Omozuo trigger it and increase it. Because if people now come they talk about what you do now. Imagine this one they talk, and until they spread, they go. How much I go take quench? How much I go take light low? How people go take rest for this matter? Now small they first talking at that time. A lot of people don't even hear the video. Even you when you talk the thing, you say you don't talk and you don't find the video, you don't see. You find the video, you don't see. Okay, I can play it for you. Now you don't finally see. Since you first find out, you don't see. Make I see whether this thing go loud.
You know the fine, you know they buy clothes, you know they work money, now you they work the money, now you they come afford the money. You want to acquire the whole world, I'm asking you, you want build million house, how many years you want to see?
Okay.
What you they build that for?
Okay.
You know if you just look sexy, when you look good, most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow and they have money.
Now they hear? Most of them, they live in this abroad. When they dress, they look somehow and they have money. So what are we saying? The same, not be, I may talk this one so. Then you can't go still go they swear, say, you not talk anything like that. You never one day talk, say Europe people not sabi dress. But you say most of them, which is the Europe women. Which is the Europe women. So what are we saying? Who they lie on top of who? And who they carry, they drag who? Who no want to make who progress? Allah jadu amwe bogbegbe is you. This matter now we get the fine trend now where you carry come out now. Come tell the fine trend. I know you. The way you come tell the fine trend so. Europe women don't dislike una wewe. Don't come and trigger it. Don't come and trigger it. Okay? Now let do for na do for na do for na they do for no they do for person. Una no they do for person. Why we boy figure the ren wa di ku wa we o na video we bo show me love of $11 me or wa mu me bi ku iwe mi o iho. Why quick why no money o. The problem Esther get be say she talk too much. Thanks for joining Josas. Una they get me. Esther I hate you but I'm telling you that you did a big mistake for swearing, knowing fully whether what you do. Now one eye now they will tell they look you and iyore ki an orion ba orien wo orien gbon orien imi aka midnight baba. At the same eye they will tell they look now because that one also do something. The next day she come they swear say she not doing on have your way on amuja you work born at here when she know fully well say that's the way she they swear put nothing like that happen. You swear now, swear. You say maybe your word they join you, they swear, say you never ever one day talk say Europe women not sabi dress. Now you now they talk and I say most of them. When you talk too much, you go forget waiting you talk. Yes, now thanks for joining. Thank you, my lady. Good evening. Now so it be. Next time I see where maybe drop a video now, or maybe I'll just say maybe they fight. No. You never see the saga me now. You never you know now. You never the saga me. You understand? You know the saga my person now. About where maybe and one come and say, oh, Esther is saga reo because definitely if your sister saga na when the video now, where do I apologize? It's 6/50. If you but once they are disappointed, they are disappointed. Yes. Now that they live like white people. Okay? I'm not to blame. I person I'm not to blame all these musicians. So I blame the people when they go the useless show. And I say people wey go dey support that Batman. Wala go ira me yejo. My daddy see they go wala go back go see they go show wala oh no say we dey miss am because the back they very appreciative. He dey very very appreciative but I will not do I know they do video. I know they do advert guys. I know they do advert for them. Maybe if I want to see promote and use another video. Now Juju most of them they used to collect money from Europe. I mean you're tired. Because me no understand. The way they put they do us back like say we shit we no clean ash. Like say we I know say we must not be rich, but we get self-respect, we get dignity, forget the way our people address us, or how people they see us. Yes, if we say we listen the way people they hear about Nigeria people, you understand the way we they hear about them for you say maybe they act like that. We know if we even see them go your terrace, it will be like some of that country we come from. But we they welcome them with all hands, even if say you bleach, you not bleach, you red, you know that they come welcome them. Person you will see people for here, but they cook for them. Mature woman for year go they cook for kitchen but the yam bush meat and go they cook welcome they entertain not because of say the woman they do one because of say she never see musician before. No, who's there this man come this thing this musician come Europe is your male many musicians they come Italian make by all those English music make by your worry I'm not fit of avant. If it too sweet now just they look at maybe for people some of my friends will go there on their live video I'll just they watch as they play make by worry. I'll don't about bed they throw my popcorn. But if you just say your person, we know they come on and just say because say am I me what there or you get waiting on 1 week on the show we won't embrace or we won't snap. Oh no, that love of now we for the come they for still they come now we now our sisters so and our brothers so even though we see snap picture we still they show our friends say you know this woman she they single now my sister you know we from the same place all those things finish nothing more as soon as they come for the Nigeria now they give us money for you say when Madonna want me wale right you know they Now we go see fit take care of una, do everything. See come una show, call people, call friends. See moto if one here do belly go. I will go. I will dagare ya. Una to just carry empty bag and pack money go house. At the end, that is so when you the boy address. You the way boy want me. Majority of them. What do you mean by majority of them? What is your business with what they wear? Eh? What is your business with these people? Leave us alone. We are not running race. Okay, if you claim say we're not good, you stay Africa. Where to stay? Winter and I know say fine. You know they come. Before summer go the rich now. We dene. So what do 10 years? The time when we say our dad late. This Esther now where they sort Europe people. Where our dad late? I know how many months she stay for Europe. I know how many months she stay for Europe. The same people where she said they're not sabi blessed. Enyo ya limousine ya mo yo muere. E limousine ya mo yo muere. Ana we flower. Ana mo flower ne we ya. Eh? People where they feel they do all those things for you now. Am I fear pa we wa sanladian we most of them. I play again for now. A speaker no speaker me do your but una go the yes no small. Play.
You dey abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money.
Abroad they know they buy clothes.
You want to acquire the whole world. I'm asking you. You want build million house. How many years you want to see?
Okay.
What you dey build that for?
Okay.
You never just look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad.
Me una see advice where she dey advise Euro people now say how many house they want build. As she do your see dey okay. She not supposed to the enter flight they come Europe again. If not be greediness. She's supposed to leave her for the young ones. Because upcoming ones are still there. Stalio now, my personal person, my not even kunya. Because he never really come my city where I did can't do show. A lot more. What did they call the other guy that day? A lot of them. You step down. Where is that? Where they play cassettes, they come out. At least to borrow and who parents, you don't get anything to use money to now. Your children not there Nigeria. Where even where still go, can't you also rest? No, why are you here? Maybe say we see you for hotel. Why are you still working? If they tell you Europe women say they're not a bit dressed because they do this. They advise them. Waiting, you know, advice where you know they take. You they advise them. You will go run find money, go here, run find money. Today see you for studio. Tomorrow they practice. Next tomorrow they show. The other day you they dance. But my second where you where you have baby oh. Where you have baby where you have any go no where you any go now. Advise yourself and leave Europe women alone. Europe women and Europe government. Now Europe people matter. You already don't hold Europe government. You let your matter of your country hold you. Why God women not they do like that? That's it talk now. Say that they insult you.
People from abroad, you dey abroad. You know the best. You know they look fine. You know they buy clothes. You know they work money. Now you they work the money. Now you they stop everybody. You want to acquire the whole world. I'm asking you. You want build million house. How many years you want to see?
Okay.
What you they build that for?
Okay.
You never just look sexy. You know you look good. Most of them they live in this abroad here. When they dress up, they look somehow. And they have money.
Yeah.
They have money, my sister.
Now they hear? She said most of them, when they dress up, they look somehow. Meaning, when she they come now, people go wear their Christmas clothes. I don't say when she they come here, they go show you where. For their mind now, they want to go greet their sister. I wish they know say na Barack Obama they want to go greet. Maybe they for just kukuma wear diamond or be short. Maybe they'll just wear all the clothes when they get once come meet you. But the mindset where those people tell they come meet you say no, now they tell they come. If you tell us say where yeah I style where you want tell me no when they say where Obama people are coming to now they say that is what I say now if these people if they're rich they don't give you water drink oh. You get why? Salobo if Salobo give them one kind of richness of say they will come be like a nanny. Or get one Ishama, that's why they call a nanny. That man a ogbu. Or they come become one big people like this. Or Ibelejon or Pabo Bizwa. Elena. Wa liba yang be na de bo kan yan flower. Yan we ne get man to amenyen ya we kuma ko e. E ma ni son no ma ve gbe na. Mi no te fian e bi we mi no te fian e bi ho. But I don't feel why we go ni get otutu ro wa vio. No ma go wa for the we ekpisa wa ye Ghana must go like obuwa me na me Ghana must go. Na ya ba le go the stage. Yeah? About the mansion where she built, she never stay satisfied. Now son she can they put for Europe. Not so hot. Europe. That why you get a one? No, leave her. Make she all the play. Make she they play. Make she all the play. Advising people of what you are not doing. Your own two children, they UK. You don't send the other one they can't show now. Why you know your to say you don't satisfy? Where they go? Where why the how they will put it? The show where they carry for Benin, they say your picking they go. They say your picking they go. They don't want to go, they represent you. Why you go there sweeping? They enjoy yourself. Then you go where swim, why are you right now? Where you stress? Say Europe may they work. If to say now you did this Europe, you for the short. You for not even on Sunday, you for the go work. To say now you did this Europe. Or Sunday, you go they go work. The way you like money rich. You have Europe women. You have seen where you have seen they know the dress. You don't talk to her, don't hear now. And she swear say she not talking. He say, now Jojo where she take bath make let's see England or Igbo way then give be back soup chop. They're not there again now. No, I thought that without Igbo not there again now for a very long time. They're not there now. I don't need that bad saga. Maybe they don't still come back. Maybe they don't come back. May follow. Tell me. Since when their matter they tire me, their matter don't tire me. May follow. And now they follow again. I not even cannot send. May not send anybody. Now they get me so. This woman now don't break a lot of Europe women hearts. And I know say Europe people they be like Weibo. If they say yes, it's yes. If they say no, it's no. If they don't turn back on you, if you like go kneel down the Obini, they're not go see you. They're not go send you because you don't betray that their trust. That's one thing you don't know about Europe people. You don't betray their trust. You are doing too much, insulting them every time. Claiming, nah. You call they pretend. And now you do. You call they pretend. You might say, when you are not child, when you no ye wala go de. You dey pack well. May you dey look face, man. You dey pack well. Am I make well? Just dey pack well. If not, things dey where they go tell you go dey who are so. And your responsibility. Then na gbomana ma where Esther not supposed to dey zozo like this. Esther not supposed to dey stress herself like this. Wrong go here. We are Esther Queen go here by the way. Waje, we backup singer. Sorry. You say, papa, and mama now. This person, the one where you take on. Bombi we mure dorisi. Saga na mema when I we saga. Mema when I we saga we are in peace. A peace me do. I just want to let her know say she talk the thing and she can't dey swear put. Oh, make sense. As at now, I don't fit deny what I talk or what I do. Who am I denying for? Even if I when I go eat it, I might una woman where here we. Who he? I will go my it matter. Instead of me to say matter, me deny another see me say for this media he don't deny me, work me. E ma beg no so by way no dey talk where yakin how. And I quick give this small message to Frank Omozuo. Frank, degbe mo matter start die Facebook. Wọ́n eru ya so matter copyright. Wọ́n gbe o wa gbon ovi ye ko tin ni kazen kera. Wọ́n eru ya so e matter copyright. Eru ya so Ana miere sagari de. Una si ule. Una le la wa because the sagari was so powerful. A sagari na bue la wa. We eru oboru we. Papa guy. You know say no dey your hand and your leg. Nou we wa jenania or vie or ku nou weje. A platform abomination nou mukiani. La refrain comme Omozuo. A Matesta, don't bring her back to media because they make copyright in. Boya esi wan Esther you bene yo. Bebe, wale de gbe sonwe nya. You know what you they do because now you take the get view. Now you take the boost your page. Now you take you think say a fans go fit become your fans. Uze ye bo tiyan o magba. Uje ramidity ye fans o magba. You know say this thing why they tell you so na truth o. A saga next study CV. Where some time ago no ma ipe gbe na a last saga no CV. A Frank Omozuo na was here. Oye ki atun pick up. Where or see. Nah. Why I say I win copyright or with that time? In win copyright or more. This time around now, in winning, you know, insult Benin women or you know, insult Europe women, which you know fully well say insult Europe women. If now you go come the door say she know insult Europe women, who go believe you self? Now that person Ogun go kill her. If Omozuo come to say Esther no insult Europe women, and you can't go believe Omozuo, I will swear Ogun for you. Omozuo wey be say they insult Europe women. Now Europe women he insult for years. Ona Jiviere ya bowa use the build house. He use the pull money for my ego brother account where they call Big Star. Big Star now we can't carry money, carry a woman. There he got mother where they sleep with her daughters go son. The godmother carry the house where they inside. As Frank there now only pompon where they express 9B. As Omozuo there now, Omozuo is only pompon where they express. Oh boy masoto. He just overhang his wa because he's left with nothing. Yana mi oko, yana mi owa, yana mi ria, yana mi ego, yana mi account, yana mi boto. He don't get anything. So if that kind of person, since some months will get this live video, no, now so good, you don't put me, actually wolo, actually he won't call lie. Almost will say, now because of Mama Ego, now he constant to the saga Europe women, because of say they commit, waiting, and he say they commit. Say because he can't say Europe women, now that is a pure lie. Not be because of Mama Ego, Frank Omos will start to fight adulterous case for my people. Don't be deceived. Not be because of Mama Ego. Almost or don't even they fight adulterous case. Where not see, where not get proof. Before you know Mama Ego. Now he give himself him yo her. Now they get me. Now he give himself him yo her. When people call the house and say, these people not be you married them. What is your business with them? Frank not respecting Mama one day. If Frank yasank be here like him. Or yasank be jet here, then he now they get me so. Frank is whether a junkie here they be mature. A Frank is a Omanere magba. You understand? Omanere magba. Omano maemi no gi wagbon. Omano meme. Bene Frank wagba. Se Frank yo wa uki e logi Frank. Uki to e logi Frank. Wa beg e life enya. We omajo da omaji eke. Ubudia ze no ya mi vie do ego obe de gberi e la jane recently. It's already yes now. Ubudia zeni ni ya uku sengie. No fi fire ni. If you wash am recently now, it don't bring and come out again. Waiting if they try to do now. That thing what they use and call money, what they use and collect people money. Be careful of the platform you visit. Just be very careful. When it comes to Frank, Frank is very, very diabolic. Yes. I'm not saying this because I want to say it. Frank is very, very diabolic. And you present a Frank Imamuyo that boy live video na kokpa. Aside say the one where be say people they do for her. Now all those women wanna hear say they go they do juju for Frank they do this. Now waiting they come meet and they do. Now they join her they do. And now they come they do for her. Yes. I wish they meet and say now church if they go. Or he get pastor. Now church things if they do. Those women for also the highest they go they sow seed for church. We for know something now church they sow seed go. No. Frank is a diabolic somebody. I know what I'm saying. A boy I'm with I don't feel they talk. Maybe not why they talk to Nana because the reason why I want just to flog gas to now is because of this Esther matter. Now we still go bring come again because Undano. Now so if Papa do one for his Zagagbo. That was the reason why Papa buy. No community person enter bury my people. No one single community. And a Frank no know as they tell do Papa burial. I have that audio on my phone. Frank or Moswo no know as they tell do Papa burial. The day of Frank or Moswo Papa burial, if Frank you off a phone, he day with Mama Kevin for house. Drink no day, food no day. I don't talk a story. Person where he bring mopo soldier everything come the party so that make community people not carry he Papa expecting. Ya safe where you go born out through to arches for outside the village as they do also. You understand? The rice and food where that one carry follow soldier come. Now they come say they carry for inside. You know even this. And I can give me because of children. Where there's a canopy where never chop. Drink, you know they. Pure water, you know they. They call the call Frank not there for you. You know as they tell do it Papa burial. But he come online to say, if you know Frank, if you know Frank, you go say, person like this they life. All the women wanna see say forfeiting and lies. He feed all of them with lies. All those women are very shameless women. Now they get me. He feed all those women with lies. Waiting not be go say na him be. One Obama saw it. Nero one of the police. Now so you go they rake. If he they rake today, you go say one better person they talk. Me I know say na shit be. Shit even get level person. No level for her. Now person will say they jealous. If they feel threatened with normal people life. If you come out today say you buy phone, you go buy that kind of phone. If you do marriage, you want to do marriage. Anything you do, you want to do. As soon as they see and there, so it's very bitter. To the extent, a full family reject her. A full family, from senior brother to last born, all of them reject her. As he cash adulterous reach for this Facebook, in your sister, only sister where you get, the same mama, the same papa, two man, now they don't cash out with wage they knack. 2 times, now that one don't do it. Now she does zor for man. I don't know what they call her for English. 2 times, now she does zor for man. In your blood sister. This one a boy. Where they craze for media, they form adulterous must stop. God can't do the thing. Now his sister be the adulterous woman. He say now this woman for Germany, Asha where they Germany, where just mass we go to sleep with Frank. Mama, it was not because of that one. Now can't they do adulterous must stop? No. If even because of anybody can't know say adulterous they exist, now his sister, the same papa, the same mama. He not feed the papa one day. Now another woman, they feed all those videos there. I will come they play and small. Maybe if we digress, when I digress, I release a bomb video. You get. Now that woman where they up time. Now I feed the papa till papa buy. As that one they feed the papa, now so that one they give a star. How many times I don't see enough for bar they share anything? Before you go buy, you go to share anything. The birthday way you do 2 years ago, you go to share the sea for bar. As I say, since start 2 years they come, you know do birthday, I be you know at to age again. I be don't tired to do better, or you don't remember the age where the day when they born. All those things were sponsored by woman money. As soon as see idea, so she throw away person. Era bonke any day. As he did yes so. For this boy to go find work, they work. Then they see black job, even if you not get document, they social media, they zoo. For this media, where they so Facebook, they use everybody to play. This one where Facebook, they do see push me, I push you. Now you more zoo. Can't depend, and now you want to do YouTube. Now you want to do this one. Now you want to do this one. YouTube where we say the figures go there, see why are you? How many accounts you don't build? How many pages you don't build? Mamia bebo yak bebo. Ebuan doa Esther we can yak by. Don't use your shame and disgrace to rob Esther, eh? Either the down when you say shame and disgrace, you are most now you are the thought or so. Oh man, no go we go and when one take go be. Abia me we are wish we. Omo we wish ya we sonia. Abia wa boom we ya zone un down babe. We are like social media now. A story down on little lama. Am I hate boy? Look this social media. Now that you be mad where they here. Walk about be no more media na. No be no go abagun. No be vivie kwayada. When you keep party there for as usual. Walk about be no media. Are you the only married man? Look around you. How many married men take social media? Erian zuoven wezona. Erian wishiya. Erian to ye gbinya gbeya. Erian le family yagbina. Of your vie no. Can't you go and get a better pastor to deliver you? So that you will know Christ before you buy? Nothing. Who are waste video? Don't you want to give your life to Christ before you buy? A diabetes will multi today. I bet diabetes. A diabetes I bet you a kia omafo. Omafo get high sugar. No mu ye kiano ya way your be yo wa. At your age, you kill long. Omozo. You know say if they suffer, they talk to you. You know they like take. You know they like take. La one we amuwe. One man standing. For your full family. One man standing. Amave do amwe bogbe ke vivije. Do amwe bogbi ye ya nike. Ifon pa ma egwa. Wa dan yo dare. Abovie bobo shodi. Amave kokbe na keleve mogun gbe ni se. Iwo asan yo sare. Frank, get inside. Go look for black job. Not be only you did this Italy. Go look for black job. They break your mates. They don't go work. Some 3 o'clock they don't go work. 3 o'clock for night for morning. People see they bed they sleep. Around 3, they go work. Hustle. Made the hustle for street for fabrica for everywhere. Then you afford who for the yeke. You define woman where family don't reject and husband reject, single mother reject. Woman where be say in short. Bobozi woman, you define. Where you want to lick the akbekus. Because if you lick and finish at all 50 euros, they'll say give you me take a cook. You don't live a life anyway. We can't disgrace very well here. Do social media. From king to ordinary grant. See your life. Which for this social media history, which presenter don't pass through this your shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace where they want at larger baby drama. I be no say they go out and come out for drama. See the way your family disgrace you. Your girlfriend disgrace you. Oh, well, la go on. Another Frank. Carry your 2 legs plus your 2 hands. Use and cover your mats. Oh, umane boy. You hear me so? Umane boy. Are stupid. While sister like saga stand there, and she know. I don't see advice on the way of it advice. If she like, make she come to say Frank. Because I know say once they start to saga, you go wrong. We met the boy. Now, woman match you so collect house for your hands. Woman, ask where you claim, say you use your sweat, you use your nenenite builder. Since you enter Europe, you do this one, you suffer. Ordinary belly, no. Really, that house where they go Germany, they'll arrest you for Germany. Why we deport you? All the suffer now. You use our builders, only one woman. They're not even rich too. Say no, they let me look that. Very useless boy. Eh? Only one single woman where you don't first still knock. Now he match you, the same hand ask for your hand. He say, they cry, they go. Say no level for you. Eh? You not call this in and say, are you dreaming or what? Now you the talk to person you call the same person they talk for them. You will be say the house where they build, where you build by your own. Woman beat you or let the ass. Mama bebo yak bebo. You never fight for yourself. You the wait for presenters who will support you. May presenter say, Mama Ego, you must give her yes. Mama Ego, you must give her lie. Nobody do. You see at the media, nobody did that. In as much as that one don't trust woman, you now useless boy. You see, say nobody talk, say me she give you that house. Yes, she not the owe you any house. You not follow her do house business. Wow, here ke wo here agbon we. Uki we. Ayo we bolona if you here. You know the shame for yourself. Who be your mate on this media, by the way? Omozo, where your mate today? Show me. Show me. Obo ati aunu. Abe akurita they told that thing. Obo ati aunu. You go on like your match with the people they talk. You say someone better person they talk. Already a charm already you run no ya muiko. When you roll water. No many married women they say you don't knock. The one where they to no call we never cast to call. You know as I tell beggar don't block my when I tell her she cease fire. Then ya go. You know as I tell beggar go ask. Maybe she they thought she will tell you. She called me I tell her say cease fire. Eh agbe wa I think it bag beggar. See your life. You notice where that one gets, where me don't listen to. Ask Mama Kevin, do a shower. You know, say they audio. Ah, crazy. See one video now where you do when I watch. You want to talk, he said women wait, they Europe. He said they're supposed to, they said they married, they said because they be remnants. He said they be remnants. Man, I see when I will see that video. And you marry, it was sent at me be Mama Kevin. That day you go come out from my house. Yes. You go come out from my house. For you to open your mouth, where be say now I don't trust by your mouth. Come they talk say Europe women. May I plan for my people? Let me just entertain you guys. Make I entertain you now. Yeah. Where this my love? Make I go a page there. Who is well? No, get inside. This one before where they talk. They'll say person they talk for them. When no we more kill you friend like you. Come on, get inside. Make I hear. I'm glad to hear. Nine, this one I listen to what they talk. This one a man. Wait, Mario. Okay. One I listen. One I listen to this idiot. Not here. I there with woman for his house. He married for this abroad. He said, make we tell ourselves the truth. All the women where they marry for abroad. He said there be remnants. If I be Mama Kevin, now that day, our marriage not go less scatter. Now that day you go come out for my house. You not even remove her, say, minus my wife for. You say you won't tell yourself the truth. Guys, wanna listen. That Esther, we don't talk Esther. This one more listen to that small. Why not make sense? Wanna wait. Now they he said many of the men who marry for Europe. He said now remnants they marry. Plus E. Many say in your wife, that your wife now remnants make or they call that one. Many way person don't eat remete zoloti throw away, which now be his wife. Because your wife don't burn everywhere before you reach in your hand. And waiting make that woman fisty, that woman as a remnant, waiting make that woman of a remnant, she marry this Omozo. Is because Omozo also not still remnant. If you look majority of men, my people, where they complain about Europe women, they are not working. Yes. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If you look majority of men, where they complain about Europe women, these men are not working. They're not the work. Since where Omozo, they enter this Europe, ask and say which work he don't work. The only time he take work now, Vino where he caught Vino. He caught Vino, no even reach, he not reach 3 months. Or not the Egbe Germany. where they take the arrest and they deport. Since that time, where they take a person, they go almost 15 years for Europe. He never gets 3 months working contract. He the French woman, he never get 3 months working contract. He never get 1 year working contract. He not get life contracts. Automatically, he not get any way where go fit support a woman. Because he know they work. He know they work. But this kind of person, now he marks the long pass women for Europe. Many of them, some of these men, the reason why they vex for women for Europe is say, they believe, say, as a woman, you go they work. They pack all the money they give them, then go they use and do what they like. Woman where they America where sponsor Frank for years, they give her money, they give her this, they give her that. The more than why they give her money, the more almost they become useless to himself, to his family, to his environment. As rent, they feel pay now. I pursue that they pursue for us. But I wish in they work, if or not they experience those things. Now, woman, they ready go my house, or even if man want come your house, maybe you understand. Man, if he decides, okay, babe, I want to come, say, man, go just, he don't even marry you. Frank pack now. He pack, go stay with woman. Now they get me so. Not be only he did this to you. This girl family husband, Elab, is he Elab? They call him Elab. That man, I see one interview where he do with one guy for this, that guy na blogger, like in Italy, that one see they, na brother na person, I don't know where they, you understand? I see one interview where the man do, where the guy called the answer and say, what do you have to say about Europe women? You need to come and see what Eliab they talk. Eliab say, make nobody marry Europe women. He say Europe women not good. He say Europe women wish, but they be like wish. I be wish better pass them. The man said a lot. Though me, I know they took pay attention to that video. Yeah. But because of what he called they talk, I was forced to draw my attention to the video. Say, what did this man they talk about Europe women? Make I listen. As I carry my ear near and they hear where they talk say Europe women not good. Europe women, you understand? Based on the one where happened to him between him and his wife, you get that aggression, whatever. You understand that aggression, that that frustration. Earlier put on for Europe women body. This one earlier where be say, man, you did Europe for years. You know they work. The same woman so where you they talk now, Europe women where you say it not good. Everybody know as this cost for Europe. If you they pay us rent every month for 400 euro, calculate them for 3 years. Earlier you not pay us rent. You they live with this woman for house. You not pay us rent. You they shop 3 times a day. You know they work. Oh, you know they work. You they shop 3 times a day. You they see clothes where you like, they buy, they wear. You they see bed, television, you they see they wash. You they use free Wi-Fi. Now woman do all those things. And where you can they enjoy. The woman also put you for motor, pay bills, transport, everything come Italy, come try to marry you so that you go still get paper. Now she they pay your lawyer, everything. The only thing this woman demanded from you, the only thing she demanded from you, now to go drive in school. You know if they lie down for share, they lie down for parlor. If you get appointments, she won't go carry children for school. She go fair, either she go fair and go drop you for appointment before she go carry children. She go let she go they run go here, they want to squeeze and she. If they don't see her, nobody go drive. Motor go there, as you go there, parlor there. As a man, she only requested for you to go and do driving school. She said, "May you go driving school." Earlier, you not see one place now where you talk say you and the woman they fight because of money, or the woman leave you because say you not get money, or the woman abandon you because say you be poor man. You don't see anything like that. Thank God, when you quarrel, they ask what happen. You use your mouth talk, say, now you offend your wife. Make people help you beg your wife. Make people help you beg your wife. The woman said no. Say you don't do it beyond repair. You don't carry the thing, go at children. Because now you go explain to your friend, which is Sam, say, you get the children, you record the children, they do this in matter, say, no, she not fit take this kind of thing. She and her children, not they say for your hand. Again, you have to go they live for the lodge, won't get, which is B&B, make you go there. Now, there you dare where they say you don't beg, but you dare Italy. From Italy, you can't use TC, deport yourself to Nigeria. Which that one are your toro. Today, the Nigeria now, you not fit your fellow men like you. Say, Europe be good, oh, women dey, oh, but get where their head be, and not be all. The one where you jump for years. He not buy you, not do you anything. He not fight you. Ordinary go driving school. Now your mouth, you take talk everything will happen for social media. Now your mouth, you take talk say, ordinary go driving school. You not go. From there, maybe the woman start to the verse before your friend where be Sam call explain everything to her. You don't need to even blame the woman or call the woman witch. What do you expect? Where your own best friend they tell your woman say you they snap the children, you they video them, you they do the like this. The woman must yes, blood is thicker than water. So you think say she go disrespect her children, put you, can't do you waiting, can't they carry you up and down like say you when you get bad intention against them. You then Nigeria now, you not talk what you do. You they say Europe women, that your own self. Now sorry for another day. Now see your Muslim. Last sense, you know get 15 years only while we get kwana. 15 good years. Almost will not get driving license. Almost will not get work. Almost will not get 3 days life contract of work. Almost will not get fabric away for the work. Almost will not get use. Marry him is like you go buy problem for house. This work, whether they say me man go so. Not be by say woman push you go work. May you call the pack money, they give her the chop. No. So that breeze go see the entire house. As you just go work so, before you come, the woman her head go don't see calm. You know, everyone don't see calm. Children don't see calm. You go see calm. You see like you they get experience. You feel they do things for yourself. You feel they plan your own life. They build your own houses. If houses you want to build, I don't know what you want to build. They do your things. If you like say you want go club, you go club. Man, no feel they tell you say, woman no feel they tell you say, why you say they go club? And I'm money when I keep for that couple, now you thief now when you want to go club. Woman no feel they control you. But when you be mad, you don't fail. Now woman they work, they pay all bills. And you want to spend money anyhow. The woman no go they agree. Yes. The woman nobody go they work 31 days. At the end, they'll come pay and one salary. You now go come your expenses go even be past the woman will work the money. Then she not going to accept. You go say the woman not get respect. Not do that. Does that make any sense to you? Real men. I don't see real men for this Europe. They're men, you. Real men. All this mass work always they talk say woman. There be few, and if you look there, they're not they work. Yes, just look there. Anyway, woman, they're not they work. Just they look, they're not they put for grant. Not be say I want to talk about men for Europe or women for Europe. No. Majority of the men where they complain about women for this media, they're not they work. They're not they work. They believe say now woman be their ATM machine. Woman now by force, a woman must do everything where they want for them. They don't thought it was a bar for woman neck. I know men where they work, where they're hard working. If you see them for public self, you go no. If they even follow their friends, go out. Now once you go tell no. Not the others, but you follow your friend, go out. This one go they wait, make this one order, make this one fair order, this one go they wait, make this one fair order. If you look this one face, you go say, oh, I forget my wallet for table just now. If you look the other one face, hey, go say, how much of this mustard? They'll tell us say na 3 or €5. €5. How now come here for you na €5? That one where they not just that time.